Let me show you how you can enter and exit the recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Flip 7 FE. In order to go to recovery mode, you will have to use a USB cable and you will need to connect your smartphone to a computer. But before we do that, first we need to turn off our device. So let's turn it off. There we go. And then we're gonna wait a couple of seconds to let the phone completely shut down. After that, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. We will have to hold these two buttons together. And once you hold these two buttons, you will have to connect the USB cable at the same time and connect your phone to the computer. And once you see the Samsung logo, you want to release the power button and hold only volume up. So let's get right into it. Let's try to do that. There we go. Now let's just hold volume up. And there we go, we are in the recovery mode. Over here we can navigate by using volume up and down. And that's pretty much it. And of course, if you want to confirm something, if you want to confirm your choice, you want to press the side button or the power button. Now, if you want to exit the recovery mode, you just have to choose the reboot system now option. So let's go over here, press reboot system now, select reboot system now and confirm your choice by pressing the side button. And of course, we can also unplug our USB cable at this point. There we go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.